Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite Moringa queen in the building, Dima Okike, with another Moringa recipe for crazy hair growth. If you have been following me from my day ones, you will know that I have tons of videos on Moringa, and that's because Moringa is amazing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make Moringa shampoo. You can pair this Moringa shampoo with other Moringa recipes that I have here on my channel, and you'll be on your way to your hair goals. I do not want to waste your time in this video. If you want to know how amazing Moringa is, kindly check my other Moringa recipes in the description box below. So like I was saying, I do not want to waste your time one bit, so I'm going straight to the point. Yes, I will hit the nail on the head in this video. As you can see, I already plucked the Moringa and discarded the stalk because we don't need it. Please, if you don't have fresh Moringa like so, please use the powder. I'm using the fresh leaf simply because it's more potent, and secondly, I have it around me here. I have the tree here. If you have fresh Moringa, please go ahead and use it. As you can see, the leaves are really dirty, and I will go ahead and wash it properly to remove all dirt and impurities. I will also juice it and return with the juice. To find out how to juice it, please check my description box for a video on how I did this. Please check the description box for a video on how I juiced it in my previous recipes. So guys, after juicing, this is what I have. To get this quantity of juice, I used a handful of Moringa leaves and half cup of water. Get a clean bowl like so. Measure out 1.5 cup of castile soap. So this is what to give our shampoo its ladder effect. So I transferred that into that clean bowl and measured out half cup of Moringa juice into the bowl. You can go less with the Moringa juice, or you can go high if you like. The choice is yours. So this is just my preferred measurement. Please do not store this, as we are not adding preservatives, because it can go rancid. Just make as you would use for each wash day. The next thing to add is honey. Guys, honey is a humectant which helps with moisture. So I added 1 teaspoon of that. I don't understand the calibration on this spoon. It's supposed to be a tablespoon, but they wrote teaspoon on it. Guys, please ignore that. Next thing to add is tea tree essential oil. You all know that I love it because of its benefits on the scalp. So I added 15 drops of that and gave that a good mix to combine. So I stirred that properly to combine because the castile soap is kind of sticky, and you need to stir that properly to combine. Guys, please, if you don't have honey, feel free to use aloe vera because they are the same. Next is to transfer the mixture into a container. So our shampoo is ready, and I'll be showing you how you can use this on your wash days. Guys, please, if there is anything you do not understand in this video, feel free to ask away in the comments below. I will be there to answer all your questions. Drop me a question in the comments below and I will answer you. Focusing on my scalp, I saturated the shampoo on my scalp, worked that in and scrubbed with my hands. I use the pop of my fingers to scrub and not my nails. Please take note, you can use a shampoo brush if you have. After scrubbing, I left it on for 30 minutes. I left it on my scalp for 30 minutes before rinsing out. Guys, as you can see, this shampoo did not lather so well. That's because I did 1:1 of castile soap and the Moringa juice. If you want it to lather so well, you can do 2:1. That is 1 cup of castile soap to half cup of Moringa juice. More of the castile soap and less of the Moringa juice. That is if you want it to lather so well. Guys, as you can see, I focus the shampoo on my scalp. Whenever you're using any shampoo, make sure to focus it on your scalp. Guys, I'll keep on going until my scalp is nice and clean, squeaky clean, before I allow it for extra 30 minutes before rinsing out. For most of you who don't know, Moringa actually have saponin properties that can help cleanse your scalp. For most of you that don't know, if you think this is not correct, kindly go make research, and you will find out that moringa has these saponin properties that can cleanse your scalp. Moringa is truly an amazing plant, a miracle plant. You can use moringa for so many things. Do you know that you can use moringa to clean your teeth, to sparkly white? Try it and you'll be amazed. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to film a video on how it can be used to whiten teeth, and I will gladly do that for you. And guys, my hair felt so good and clean after rinsing. It didn't strip my hair, rather it left it soft. Guys, I so much love this micro towel that I use for my cornrows. Each time I do my wash days in cornrows, I usually tie it around my hair and go about my house chores and allow it dry, drain all the water, and then dry on its own without having to use towel or something. I so much love it. You can check most of the beauty supply stores on Instagram and get one for yourself. They are not so expensive and are quite affordable. And that's all for this video, loves. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next one by God's grace. Bye, loves.